Well, hello there, YouTube. It's a rainy Wednesday morning, and I got myself a free lawnmower. We're gonna try to get started here this morning. Here, I'll show you guys. I don't even know if she pulls. Let's see. Oh, I got. Oh, yep. There we go. Feels like there's compression. So let's go in here and take a look. See. Let me get that spark. I believe what's happened to us here is I don't get a full pull on the old yanker upper. That's probably why the bolts were out. Only runs it over once or twice. So easy start performance. Well, not this one. You know, people don't just put them out on their lawns for free for nothing. So there's problems here. It's a beautiful Saturday morning, and what I did find out, excuse me, that my neighbor's a small engine repair dude. He does a lot of lawnmowers and all kinds of stuff. Anyway, he told me I got her stored in her spot so she don't get too. Look at the wheel. Oh boy. Anyway, he told me it won't start without a blade on it. It just doesn't have a blade. So luckily I scored a blade from the other neighbor. He had one that he bought the wrong size, and which is the right size for this one. So we're gonna put the blade on it and give her a fire up. What I did find out with this is the keyway for the flywheel, which is on top, was twisted, so it was out of time. Oh, look at that. It's like factory. Another thing you should be doing if you ever pull the plug wire, you know, I wanted to spin this and make sure I got clearance, and then go from there. Let me now let's see. All right, cooking now. Buck's doing it. I think that's what I'll call the channel. Buck's doing it. So I did it. Now let's see if she'll fire. I'm gonna give it a little prime juice here, just because I don't feel like pulling and pulling and pulling. Let's see what happens here. A little. This is just carb cleaner. I only want finger tight with the plug. Pull the handle back. Well, there you go. Found on the road dead, as they. All right, thanks for watching. I come up with some other ideas. I'll start filming again. This seems like it's fun. I mean, I see a lot of people on YouTube doing this, and thought, man, I want to give it a try. I got a GoPro. I got the GoPro for doing when I ride my bicycle and stuff and go camping. and then on my motorcycle. All right, so have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.